Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to share what's happening with ATNF 100 Life Sciences. We see that it went to a low of 351. This was back early March. And then on Friday, it hit a high of 1060. So it had an 18% intraday gain. But before I get into that, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to find like-minded people who love to make money in the stock market. I will be sharing my trades with you guys, and we can collaborate with 50 other Discord members and find the next hottest stocks. So if you guys are interested, check out my link down below. So it appears that the investors were intrigued by a recent podcast in which the company went deep into its business model and the markets it is looking to target. As a preclinical biotech company, more clarity with respect to product development and timelines is always a good thing. This is why investors seem to like the additional insight into what 180 Life Sciences is working on right now. If you don't know what they do, they are focused on the development of novel treatments for various forms of inflammation, fibrosis, and pain. The company has a number of preclinical and clinical studies underway with expected pipeline of drugs that has investors excited. This research is backed by world-renowned institutions. The company believes this research has the potential to unlock markets with significant unmet needs. Of particular importance to 180-day Life Sciences is its work on an anti-tumor neurosis factor, anti-TNF antibodies. The company hopes this research can result in meaningful findings for the pursuit of drugs targeting everything from arthritis to psoriasis and other disorders with significant unmet need. The company claims it is a pioneer in the research of anti-inflammatory therapeutics. The company's fibrosis and anti-TNF program is of a particular interest to investors. The company is hoping to tackle the following key markets. Frozen shoulder, which causes pain and range of motion loss affecting 9% of the population age 25 to 64 years of age. Fibrosis of the liver, commonly caused by non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, affects an estimated 30% of the U.S. population. And post-operative cognitive dysfunction, a serious post-surgical complication. The trials are going well, and I do believe this stock has a lot of growth potential. As we saw on Friday, the stock was trading below $6 and it hit a high of 1060. If the volume and the buying pressure does continue, this can easily break this 1060 resistance and go much higher. But before buying any type of securities, please conduct your own due diligence. And let's say you want to get into ATNF, but you don't want to pay the price, which is currently at $6.96. What you can sell. What I like is cash secure puts. So if we look at the options chain right now, they have a 16 April expiration date, which is less than 3 weeks away. If you want to get this at a discount, we have a 5 strike price that will give you a $20 premium. In order to sell a cash secure puts, you do need to put up the collateral. The collateral is 100 times what the strike price is. In this case, think of the strike price as the price that you are willing to pay. So $5. So you multiply 100 times 5, which is 500. So you just have to have 500 in your account in order to place this trade. So that $500 will be used if the stock, which is at $6.96, is at 5 or below at the end of the day on expiration date, which in this case is 16 April. So you are obligated, if you do get assigned, to buy 100 shares at $5. That's where the collateral comes in. And in return, you will receive this $20 premium, which makes your cost basis now at $4.80. So if it doesn't reach 5 or below, then your collateral is released back to you. you still get to keep this nice premium. And that's why I like selling cash ticket puts, because we actually receive the money up front versus if you were to buy shares and you have to wait for the stock to go up and down. At least with this, you get the money up front. And with call options, we just have a hard time predicting where the stock is going to go. And if we take a look at the IV right now, the IV is extremely high. It's 186% for April 16. When the IV is high like that, you want to be option sellers. Collect the premium from the option buyers. If you were to buy a 750 strike price, meaning you think that the stock is going to go above 750, you're looking to pay $90. Yes, it's possible that the stock can easily go above 750, but there's always a risk to that. So that's why I like to stick to selling options. And if it's ever breached, let's say you don't want to buy the stock at $5. Well, what you can do, you can just keep rolling the contract over until that option expires worthless. So we see that the IV on all of them, there's only 4 months here. They're all over 100%, meaning that this stock is very volatile. So I will be keeping a close eye on this stock here and see where the price is going to go before I make a decision. And that's all I wanted to share, was that this stock has a lot of growth potential. Definitely keep this on your watch list. And thank you so much for watching, guys. And do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. We're always trying to look for the next hottest stock. I'm just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.